Hey everybody, my name is Kyle Knott, and I am not your average finance guy. I had a question the other day about someone who's saving up for something, and I was explaining the infinite banking concept to them, and they're like, "Well, it doesn't make any sense. Why wouldn't you just put that money in the bank?" So, a very easy example here is say you're saving up for a purchase. I drew a car here, maybe it's a remote control car, whatever. You're saving up for something, right? It can be anything. Um, so for this purchase, they're like, well, why don't you just keep adding to your savings, adding to your savings, adding to your savings, and then once you get enough to purchase it, take it out and make the purchase. So, okay, that's cool. Let's do this little exercise here. I got some all the cash I got on me. So, here's $120. All right. So let's say that you save, and finally one magic day you get up to $120 in the bank, and whatever your purchase is, that's $100. Okay. So what you do is you go down to your happy little bank teller and you say, hey, I would like to make a withdrawal, and you take the $100 out, you put it on this purchase, and boom, the money is gone, and now you have whatever your purchase is, right? And what does the bank now? You had $120 in there, now you have $20 in there, and what is the bank going to give you for doing that? A thank you for them. What they do to say thank you for putting that money in there is they literally give you pennies, right? They give you pennies in interest to put your money inside their bank. Okay? So the difference now, if you took the same $120 or whatever the number is, maybe it's 120,000, maybe it's 1.2 million. You can do whatever you want to do here. Every situation is different. So now, if we have the same money inside our infinite banking concept, our own bank or infinite banking policy, now we've got 120 in there, and the insurance company looks and says, okay, you've got $120 of cash value. So you want your purchase, right? It costs $100. So what the insurance company does, since this is a policy, is they know you've got $120 of cash value. They say, okay, we will give you 100 for your purchase. Okay, so that comes from the insurance company. And yes, this is a loan, and right now it's at like 5.6%. Okay, so you now have your purchase, we have your money. Your cash value is still at $120. At the end of the year, you're going to add $5 to that. I can get that in there. That never left. You got to pay back a little bit here. It's usually less than this $5 that you made anyway in your cash value. So you kept saving. You had a monthly, whatever you're trying to do, monthly, weekly, you're trying to put money back into the bank. Do the same thing here. Weekly, monthly, put the money back into the insurance company. As soon as this loan is wiped out, now the loan's gone, you still have your purchase, and now you have $125 in there. Next year, if you can save up, put another 100 in there, instead of giving you 5, they're now paying you on the 125. Now they're going to pay you 10. It's going to keep on going. So for me, this is the easiest way. And what else you can do is you can buy another purchase after that. This money always keeps growing, and what they're paying you always keeps growing. Okay, trying to make this super simple, and I hope I did that. But if not, please let me know. I am going to be working with some people completely free of charge, no credit card needed, no nothing. Go to my website and get signed up. Let's see if we can find a time to talk, chat, email, text, whatever it is. And I want to help you guys out. I'm going to go for the first 10 people that sign up and just give some, not really advice. It's what I would do, but every situation is so different that it's so hard to make videos that apply to each different situation. So I'm trying to hit a broad net here, but please let me know, and I'd be willing to be more than happy to sit down and have a little conversation of where you're at, how I can help, and what your pain points are, where you want to go, what your goals are. So, all right, good luck everybody, and I hope this helps, and let me know how I can help.